Okay, time to do the OTR. So we're gonna remove this and this so I can run it. Hopefully this is not in the way since the Camaros do sit a little lower like this. So yeah, mainly just to get all the air in there. But we're gonna move this one, this one, this one. Pull this one off. And pull this one off. We'll see what we can unveil. Removed a screw from here. And removed 2 screws from... Oh, it's kind of hard to tell. There's 2 10 mils here. And there should have been one back over there, but I don't have one apparently. Then I gotta disconnect all these, and disconnect all the wiring for the fog lamps. And yeah, so let's start doing that. All right, so this is how this looks over here. So this side, that's how it looks over here. This camera's dirty. So now that we got the bumper off, we're gonna remove this support and figure out what's back here and start cutting away. So now I'm just trying to figure out all these plastics, how they go, if you know what I mean. Because I'd like to put some stuff back if possible, but who knows. So now I just gotta pull all this plastic off, but it's super duper tight. Okay, so this is everything I have off so far. And now from all the pictures that the guys have sent, they bend this, or they cut this little part right here. And yeah, so let's see if we can do that. But that's dirty. Okay guys, so bent that up, got that hole, not too pretty, but it's okay. I grinded this, cut it as you can tell, and then I grinded it to be smoother. And then I hammered it just a tad bit. Now I just cut the latch support, which goes like this. 10 mil at the bottom, snapped it. But now I'm probably gonna do a line from here to there. That way we can still have some support. I mean, it's pretty strong, but I'd rather not risk it one day and bam, close it. Yes. All right, next is gonna be this booger. We have to cut here and here and here. Okay guys, so we put it, set it up. Here's it at. It looks funny with that thing in the center. I grinded way too much, but who cares? The only issue I'm thinking now is this one hitting here, and have to push the radiator this way. What's it touching on? Nothing for now, but oh yeah, and then this issue right here. Whoosh. I'm gonna have to buy an adapter, an extension, or splice. All right, look today. Running the OTR did not go as I planned. One, because I have my AC still, but I really didn't like the fitment and it was just bothering me. So I ended up trying something. Dylan runs the same thing, pretty much well, he's gonna be running a Vstack, but this is what I'm running now for now. So I mean, air goes straight into it. Can't get more straight than that. I wish it was all here, but yeah, no can do. So that's the final product. I ended up having to smash a little bit. It's kind of hard to focus, but you get the point. Yep. Message GPI, one of the tuners, and see if what I need to run to be on speed density, and go from there. So there's not much I can do right now other than just prep all the lines and make sure everything's ready. And yeah. All right, guys, so finishing off on the OTR, I was missing a piece that I actually had in the truck, but I ended up not finding it until I was in the attic. But I ended up cutting the hole down there. You're gonna have to cut the hole, and then there's a Y bracket that you have to cut off for that's the support for this. So you're gonna have to pull that off, pull your plastic off, hit it here a little bit, same as well at the bottom, if you want to keep your AC. And then there's this route you can do. And then I ended up having to remove the bumper, everything else, because it's just way easier, because you have to cut a hole down there. The hole I cut. But yep, there's a hole down here too that I cut. And yep, so I ended up running this because it was just better for me. One day I'm gonna fab up something that will go directly into it. I don't know if you can see, like that hole, I wanted to just line up as a box into here. So if there could be like a box directly that just will go into it, that'd be great. But for this, I mean, it's good airflow in there. So yeah, guys, that's it for the OTR.